As we move forward with our reopening and more businesses reopening and more people are returning to work, what are some important things for both employees and employers to know about being safe at work?
Well, I would say it's very important for employees who go back to work to understand that even though they spend a lot of time with their colleagues, possibly at work, that all of these colleagues will go home to their families and will therefore have more exposure, possibly, at the work site than you would normally perceive. Because when you spend a lot of time with coworkers, you feel like you're always with the same people and you're safe. But that is not the case. And for that reason, it is very important that all employees wear masks and that they don't share utensils and things like that, and are very, very careful with frequent hand washing and general hygiene measures.
And are there specific things that employees can do to be safe at work?
Yes, one important thing that has come up frequently is ride sharing or carpooling to work and from work. It's very important to wear a mask in the car that you're sharing unless you're all by yourself or with your own household. So that is a very important part. And bring your own mask, bring your own hand sanitizer. We're hoping that employers provide this, but it's always good to rely on your own devices and be safe. Those would be the two main things that I would like to recommend.
And then what about employers? What can employers do to help to prevent the spread of the virus at work?
Employers who are allowed to open up per public health guidance or with public health guidance have to go through quite a rigorous confirmation process where they adhere to frequent cleaning and hygiene measures overall, disinfecting, and in many instances, they are required to screen their employees on a daily basis for temperature and for COVID symptoms to make sure that nobody who is ill comes to work. I would encourage all employers to support mask wearing at work, maybe provide masks if employees forget to bring their own, and really adhere to the standards that are in the RISE guide for safe opening of businesses.
Thank you. Is there anything else that you think would be important for employees or employers to know to be safe when returning to work?
I think if everybody is adhering to these measures, keep a safe distance, wear a face covering or a mask, and wash your hands or sanitize your hands and your immediate surroundings, like a desktop, for instance, on a regular basis, you should be very safe at work. And I hope you enjoy your work again.